Everyone, welcome back to Living at Purpose NK. Today, I am taking you to Niagara Falls in Canada, Ontario, a place that words can fully capture. But I will try. This isn't just a destination, it is an experience, a force of nature that awakens something deep inside you. The moment I arrived, the roar of the water, the mist in the air, I could feel its energy. It's raw, it's powerful, it's alive. And then I stepped onto the ferry right into the heart of the falls. The water splashed around me, the wind on my face, the spray on my skin. I feel completely alive, completely present. It is a kind of moment that makes you forget everything else. Niagara Falls isn't just a sight to see. It is a feeling to embrace. Peaceful, real, humbling, and unforgettable. Watch the full video and let yourself feel the beauty, the calm, the power of nature. This is more than a place. It is a reminder that life is vast, amazing, and full of wonder. If you haven't been there yet, especially newcomers, put it on your bucket list. Trust me, your soul will thank you. And tell me in the comment sections, will you dare ride the ferry or watch the falls from afar? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventures. You can also check out my playlist. We have different playlist sections: the Wall of Culture, the Spicy Queens Coaching, Adventures, Motivations, African Fashions, and everything that you wanted to know about the Living with Purpose. It's all about different life. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
干嘛？要上啥就干嘛。